So we got these deer warning whistles. I don't know if I believe in them or not, but my father-in-law and his wife swear by them. They have lots of stories that prove that they work. I think it might be the sound of a big engine that they're hearing, but what these are supposed to do is whistle in a frequency that only animals can hear, and then it keeps you from accidentally hitting one. So I'm going to put this in a place, hopefully in the grill, where it's not obvious. Probably right there. They're black, so they go with the black grill. So we'll take the first one off. It's a little sticky. Okay. I'm gonna stick it right in there. As long as air goes through it, it's supposed to make the sound. Keep the deers from jumping out in front of you. Or it could be the sound of the engine, or a big truck rolling down the road. Or it could be the deer warning whistles. All right, put it in the same place. Good. And hopefully that keeps us from getting into an accident with animals. Guess it works with bears too, what I heard. All joking aside, I really appreciate that they cared enough to get these for me. So again, looking at these deer warning whistles, all installed, look great, and I think they'll make a difference.